In this video, I will show you how to add another Google account to your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to the home page on your Google account. And the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the profile icon, click on OK. Then you have your primary setup Google account right here. So for you to add a new account, go ahead and click on Manage Accounts right here. And it's going to take you right here. You can add another account or a child account to your Google TV. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to add an account. So click on add an account and it's going to take you right here. Now you have two options. Scan code to add your Google account. Focus on your phone camera on the QR code to sign in into your Google account. Make sure that your phone is connected to the network on this particular device. Now, one thing here is that if you want to use these options here, you need to make sure that you are using the same network with your phone and your Google TV. However, if that does not work for you to add a new account to your Google Smart TV, you can sign in on TV instead. Just slide down right here and click on sign in on TV instead. May take longer, require typing with the remote as the case may be. Just go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to take you to interface right here whereby you need to enter your Google account, and go ahead and enter your Google account, click on next and enter your login password and hit enter. With that, new Google account is going to be added successful to your Google TV. Then from there, you can switch from one account to another account in your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.